Hi, as you can see there we have quite open concept. Welcome to our homestead and home. We are changing the doors. This is old house, more than 100 years old, and we had such a poor doors in here, so we need to replace them. Let's take a look at the old ones. You can see here the old doors. This is actually the, these are now inside out, but this is just wooden doors, and we will replace them with the tailor-made doors since the size and everything doesn't fit to the modern doors you can get from the stores. And of course we want to have a unique and kind of a look that fits into this kind of old house. But it's never easy. Henry is quite nervous at the moment because of some jam old screws, and it's really hard because anything isn't in line and everything is kind of wonky in this kind of house. So wish us good luck with this project. Never mind about the mess, or don't mind about the mess we have at the moment because of this renovation.
Yes. No. Yes.
These kind of small big issues takes a lot of time. So this work will continue. The old doors weren't any functional, they were stuck, and we didn't even have a proper locks, to be honest. So this will be a huge improvement. The color of these doors won't be what you see now. This is just a base layer, so I will paint these. We also need to install a glass to this window frame we have in this bigger door. This will be a huge thing, so stay tuned and you will see the final results in upcoming videos. Farm chores to do. I will change the Muscovy Ducks beddings. We use currently at the moment hay because we have some leftovers from last year, so I'm replacing them now. We have their ducklings, and they are pooping on the hay, which the adult didn't. But yeah, let's take a hay bale here with me. This is quite nice place. This is old oak We don't have so much those in Finland, and I guess this is some 100 years old. It gives nice shelter here. We don't have our own hay field or anything like that, so we are buying this hay. And this is suitable for the animal shelters, but not so good for the eating purposes. But let's take this. I have to show you something really nice. We have two pear trees. They are maybe 4 or maximum of 5 years old. This is the first year we got this. I counted that currently here is about 10 pears, and some have dropped and these cannot be used, but I will put this into the room. I guess Henry with... Woo! Oh my god, yeah. This is what has happened. I've been picking this. Yeah. If you put it into the room, it's quite nice dessert with the ice cream. This is the place where our Muscovy Ducks lives. Also, because of this influenza flu regulations, they need to be inside this cage and cannot roam wildly here. And this is their own really nice cottage. We have 1 male and 2 female Muscovy ducks, and currently 6 ducklings. Well, they are now about 2 months old, so not those yellow fluffy things anymore. They look more and more like an adult. This one female actually got 14 ducklings, which is amazing, but we were able to sell some of those, and so we are left with 6. And those small Muscovies goes inside in here every evening around 7 o'clock. So ducklings are in here and the adult stays out. I don't know why, but that's what they prefer. And quite interesting is that when the adults were here, they were never pooping in here. This was really clean. But now, when the young ones are here, they really do the mess. So I'm putting these to the compost and replacing with the new, fresh and clean hay. Lilli, sano vähän. Sorry. the bottom there we have a black plastic that's actually manufactured for the pool purposes, swimming pools, but it suits very well and gives some protection against the moist and protects this wood. Lilli, paistapa vähän.
Lily, please. I know that you like that pool, but please don't eat it.
Come sleep next to me next evening. Muscovies don't spend time in here during the daytime, but they are laying eggs, but currently they are having the break for that because the autumn. They can fix this wherever they like.
Are you going to stay there? It looks quite nice.
Yeah, this is fluffy and Lily, please. We like to give them a lot of this hay. I don't know, it's nice for them and also not yet, no worries about the weather conditions, but in the winter time and so on, we want to keep them happy animals and give them the warm place to stay and sleep. This is good stuff for the compost, and eventually it will go to the garden. This is our compost area. Although we have compost bins also in another location. Let's see how much I can fit in here. This is really old and quite broken, but I will use it as long as it stays and can manage this. I'm gonna let this open because I want to get all the rainwater from the sky to give the moisture, so it will start to rotten. I guess this was it this time. Have a great week and thanks for watching us, and please subscribe to this channel if you already haven't, and share these videos. That's the best way to help our doing this and keep up this farm. We have quite a lot to do during this autumn, so see you in the next one. Bye!